And just wanted to ask you, what will be your first topmost priority, very briefly?
The priority would be to keep a balance between what caution needs to be exercised in the current volatile environment, and at the same time keep the organization ready for that long-term optimism so that we are ready to take advantage when the momentum restarts again.
But ma'am, the PSU banks, as everybody is asking you, they've been constantly reducing rates, and you being the largest private sector bank, how are you going to set an example? When, how, when? Just a little brief on that.
No, we'll clearly, watch our own cost of deposits, and definitely, as the cost of deposits go down, the benefit would be passed on to the borrowers. But I would say that the cost of deposits for the entire banking sector has not corrected as yet. Having said that, the direction is clearly set because the rates on the bond side has already corrected. So my feeling is that over the next couple of months, there would be a correction in the cost of deposits for the banks, and then you would see, the benefit being passed on to the borrowers.
Okay, just really one last question. These are troubled times. You're seeing slowdown everywhere. Is ICICI Bank also considering any sort of downsizing in terms of its employees or reevaluation as such?
No, we are not downsizing our employees, but yes, as we are setting up new branches, in fact, we are setting up new branches. We've completed the rollout of branches up to 1400, and now we've got licenses to set up another 580 branches. So in fact, we are expanding the number of branches. But yes, as the productivity improves across the organization, we would keep reallocating people, from one department to the other.